Hey guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. I hope every one of you is doing good. So before we start discussing today's topic, let me request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button here. Once you click on it, you will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner. Post you subscribe to my channel, also make sure to press the bell icon and click on all. You will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification about the same without any misses. Also, I would request you all to subscribe to my Telegram channel with the name HYIT Intraday Calls because I share a lot of things over there and it might be helpful to you in some way or the other. All right, so before we start with today's discussion, please allow me to mention about an offer that will reduce your capital requirements for trading various segments like the NSE futures and the MCX futures. Okay, talking about the NSE futures, you can trade contracts like Nifty, Bank Nifty, SGX Nifty, etc. with just 6,000 rupees for one lot, whereas in MCX you can trade one lot of crude oil, copper, natural gas, etc. for just 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. Okay, for gold and silver, it will cost you around 10,000 rupees per lot. And not only this, you will be happily surprised when you get to know the other features that are being offered. I can't give you all the details here as there are many, but I will surely share all the details post you get in touch with me. In today's scenario, if you want to trade one lot of crude oil, you need to have a minimum of 1.6 lakhs as your capital, that is 1 lakh 60,000. Similarly, for Nifty, for just one lot, you need to have at least 1 lakh as your capital. Now replace 1.6 lakhs with 4,000 to 6,000 rupees and 1 lakh with 6,000 rupees. It does make a lot of difference to a retail trader like you and me, right? So that's the help I want to extend or offer. And if you are interested, then you can get in touch with me on the details that are being shown on the screen and we can take it forward. A very good evening, guys. So let's go ahead and have a look on Nifty. I was just having a look on the Nifty charts and I found something interesting happening here. So I thought of sharing it. So let's make a quick video on it and let me explain what Nifty is going to do. Let me anticipate. Let me go ahead and put forward my thoughts about it and then you can take it up accordingly. Okay. And I believe this video should be productive in a sense that you will get an idea as to what Nifty is going to do in the upcoming days. Okay. So here we go. Let's bring on the chart here. As you can see here on the left top corner, this is Nifty's 1 day chart. Okay, now to start with, let me quickly cover up what did I uh, told you or what was the update about Nifty in my previous video. So my previous video about Nifty was made on 22nd of July 2022, right? This candle that you see here. Okay, and I had clearly mentioned that Nifty will face a resistance at this purple line because this purple line is a swing high on the left hand side of the chart. And whenever in the higher time frames we see a swing high and the stock is in an uptrend, it is bound to face a resistance for some time. Not always, but most of the time. Okay, and the the gray area that you see here, I had also mentioned that this is a support area. Why do I say that this is a support area? Because it has formed a gap. Whenever a gap is formed and the stock is going up, then that particular gap will surely act as a support zone. Okay, and as you can see on the charts, the same thing happened. Okay, exactly on the next day and the next to next day, Nifty fell. Okay, and when it reached this particular support area, the gray zone that you see here, it exactly took a support and bounced up further. And since then, it has been 5 sessions. This guy has been moving up like crazy. Okay, a huge volume of huge everything. Okay, it has been just making solid green candles and moving up without stopping. Okay, so the next thing is what to anticipate now. What next? What is the thing that Nifty might do next? Okay, getting on to that point. Here at this level, one thing is for sure, it will face a resistance again. If you see the left hand side of the chart, I have 3 points because of which I'm saying that Nifty will slow down at this particular red zone. The first thing is the gap. This is a gap. Okay, so that is point number one. Point number two is we have two swing highs here. This is one swing high and this is another swing high. Three of them combined, gap and these two swing highs combined together, makes this level a really tough resistance. So my anticipation is Nifty will slow down at this point. It will face a resistance and then either it will consolidate for some time, or it will come down, or it will give a breakout. Now, if it consolidates, we need to wait and see till how much time is it going to consolidate, and after the consolidation, post the consolidation, in which way Nifty breaks out. If it breaks out in the upward direction, the next target will be this yellow line that you see here, because that is the next swing high that we have here. Okay, if it breaks out. If it comes down, consider this green zone as a very strong support. Why do I say that it is a support? It's because we have a gap here again. Okay, so these are the few things that might happen with Nifty in the upcoming days. Okay, one more thing which I wanted to highlight here is okay, if what if yeah, I just told that if Nifty consolidates and breaks out in the upward direction, the next target is this one. Or if Nifty comes down, takes a support here, and then goes up and breaches this resistance, then our next target is this one. Now, even before Nifty reaches this point, this yellow line, it will face a small resistance in between this red zone and this yellow line. Why? Because I'll just show you. Let me go ahead and make the chart, the candlestick smaller, so that we can cover up more area. And what we will do is we will go ahead and draw a trend line here. Okay, and let's give it a different color, maybe blue. Okay, so it is very evident that when Nifty breaches this particular resistance and moves up, it will also slow down somewhere at this level. Okay, let me bring in a rectangle here. So right from here till here, anywhere here at this point, Nifty will slow down. Now, when Nifty slows down here, it will face Nifty slowing down of Nifty means it will face a resistance. So when it faces a resistance, obviously it will come down. At that time, you can consider this red zone as a support again, and then you can expect Nifty to be moving up and reaching this resistance level, which is our next target. Okay, so this is what I wanted to mention to you guys here. This is what I found on the charts as of today. Okay, and obviously Nifty is in a bullish bias undoubtedly. Okay, and it will remain bullish till the time it forms lower lows and lower highs. As of now, we don't even have a hint of Nifty making any lower low or low high. It has been making high highs and higher lows, and right now it is a spot. It is at a spot where it has made a higher high again. Right? So if it makes a higher low, it means that it will come down a bit, take a support, and zoom up again. Okay, so it is very important to consider or to accept the fact that it is a good thing that Nifty will go down further. Okay, in the coming days, Nifty might retrace down. It might give you a pullback, because the pullbacks gives you the flexibility or gives you the opportunity to buy on dips. And if you are an intraday trader, needless to say, if Nifty faces resistance here and you see that Nifty is coming down, obviously you won't initiate a buy position, right? You will trade on a sell position. So the game in intraday will be completely different. You can short Nifty and earn good money. Okay, so have this in mind. And when I say that Nifty is in a bullish bias, that does not mean that you go ahead and buy it aggressively. aggressive buys are not suggested at this level because Nifty is at a crucial resistance level and we don't know what is going to happen next. Okay, so be very careful with your positions. Play small, trade small, not aggressively. That is how you take care of your trades when you see that Nifty is at a very important juncture of facing a resistance. So give it some time, let it move, let it tell you in which direction is it planning to move, and then you can go ahead and trade aggressively. But as of now, at this point wherein it is clearly being seen that Nifty will face a resistance going ahead, it is not suggested or it is not recommended for you to take any aggressive positions. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I will go ahead and make further videos if I see anything more interesting happening on the charts, and I will keep you all updated on it. Okay, so that's it from my end, guys. And for the guys who have not watched my previous video, I have put in the video card on the top right corner of the video, the I symbol that you see there. You can click on it and watch my previous video. And as always, would request you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please do not miss the ending of this video, as you will get some more information about HYIT that might be helpful to you in some way or the other. And please feel free to ask your questions or queries, if any, in the comment section, and I will surely reply back to them. Okay, also please do not forget to like this video if you liked it. Okay, so that's all from my end, and I'll see you later. Hope you all will stick back. Happy trading and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.